How to reset forgotten password in Messenger. Open the Messenger application. Make sure you're in the login interface. Tap on the option Forgot Password that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll have to find your account. You can enter your mobile number, or you can tap on the option Search by email instead. Once you do that, enter your email address over here. Tap on the option Continue. Once you do that, the code will be sent to your email. Open the Gmail over here. You can see over here Facebook has sent me the email. Tap on it. In this email, you'll be able to see the code. Memorize this code, or you can also copy it. Go back to the Messenger tab. Enter the code over here. Tap on the option Continue that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you can create a new password for yourself. Tap on the field of New Password. Enter the new password over here. It must contain at least 6 letters and number. Tap on the Continue option that you can see on the screen. You can see over here your password has been reset. Like this, you can reset forgotten password on Messenger. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.